What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a word art in Google Docs. Now if you find this useful, go ahead, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I'm Andrew, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Now guys, in this Google Doc, I'm going to replace this title here. Let's say I want to replace this title here with something nice, right? So I'm going to create a word art to do that. So all I have to do, guys, just simply go ahead and click on insert here. And then you want to choose the option that says drawing. Then you want to go ahead and choose new. If you have something on your Google Drive, you can also insert that as well. So those word art that you will create, you can also save them on your drive so that you can access them whenever you need. But I don't have any at the moment, so I'm going to choose new to create one. Now once you do that, guys, all you have to do is just simply select actions from the left side here, and then you want to select word art. So once you select word art, just simply type whatever you want. So I'm going to create something that says title. I'm going to simply write title, and then I'm going to simply go ahead and click off. Now once you click off of there, guys, as you can see, the title is there. So you can adjust this to your liking by simply clicking on the edges to stretch it. You can also move it around as you so desire. You can also fill it with colors. I'm going to click on the color here, and I'm going to use something like a blue. You can always play around with the font as well. So I'm going to use something like that. Yeah, that looks really nice. Let's use this as well. You can also make it bold. You can make it italic as well. You get the idea, right? So play around with it to your liking, guys. You can also fill it with image as well. So if you have like an image, you can also put it inside. It's really up to you. Now once you're ready, guys, and you're liking what you did, all you have to do is just simply click save and close, and that will now be on your document. So have a look at that. Very nice and very easy. You can always adjust it afterwards if you want it smaller, bigger. It's totally up to you. You can always position it, and if you would like to edit it again, you can simply go ahead and click on edit here, and it will take you right inside so that you can come back to click it, and you can also change it to whatever you want. So let's say I want to change the color. I can simply do that, save and close, and that's how easy it is, guys, to create word art in Google Docs.